This is an Instagram maxing tutorial, and for those individuals that are wondering what is Instagram maxing, this is a word that I came up with that's essentially like looks maxing, where you're maximizing your looks, but now you're gonna maximize your Instagram. Because when it comes to all of these black people individuals, they're all complaining that yeah, if I'm not a 9 out of 10, a 10 out of 10, I won't see any results online. And clearly they're so delusional that they think that looks is the only thing that matters. But have you ever thought about Instagram maxing? Have you ever thought about increasing your status, your digital CV, at least your digital dating CV? Because that's what Instagram is at this point. Because for example, if you're someone that's looking for a job and you have an alright CV and then you manage to get that interview, you really have to do your best to secure that job. Whilst if you're someone that's an amazing CV, all you have to do is to kind of turn up for the interview and not screw it up, and you'll be good to go. And the same goes with your Instagram. It's a digital CV for your dating life. And if you're someone that really wants the exponential results, whether you're gonna Instagram max for your dating life, to make more friends, or even business opportunity, it does not matter. We live in a digital era, and if you're someone that wants to see amazing results in this digital era, you need to Instagram max your profile. And I don't want to be mean, but most of you guys are actually stupid. Imagine having the opportunity to present yourself in the best way possible, but you don't take the opportunity. You simply take it for granted, but then you start complaining and don't take responsibility for the fact that you're not seeing results. And I am a man of my word. I do what I preach, and there's no one that knows on how to Instagram max better than me, and I will show it to you guys. Because for example, let's have a look at my Instagram profile, and as you can see, it's not like they have amazing amount of followers. Yeah, okay, sure, I've got more than 1,000 followers, but at the end of the day, I make YouTube videos and most of the followers are you guys. But the main thing I want you to look at is my text and then my pictures. So for example, it says ambitious travel entrepreneur. So what my profile is saying is that I'm ambitious, I travel, and entrepreneur. It's very straightforward and it gives a personality to attach to me. And then follow up. Let's look at my first picture. So this is a picture that I recently posted. I got invited to like a Manchester United Remington limited launch campaign. I think when it comes to status and when it comes to looking like an interesting individual, this picture does quite a lot in terms of my status boosting. Because at the end of the day, it's not only about your looks, it's about how you present yourself, the angles, making yourself look good, but then also having some sort of status, coming across as an actual human being, and just kind of painting a story online. And that's what this picture does. So if you're someone that looks at my profile, for example, it doesn't show anything about me being a YouTuber or whatever, because I don't really talk about it. I don't need to, because I know my profile is good enough. So for those individuals that want to use that as an excuse, it's not as valid. Although I know I have posted like these pictures whilst I'm at YouTube now, so people might be a bit more curious, but I've just done it more for the curious aspect. Because for example, let's press on this picture. Here it says, had such an amazing time catching up with everyone at YouTube. I'm not specifically saying that I'm a YouTuber, I'm just saying that I was at YouTube. It piques curiosity, and I understand that not everyone will be in places and situations where they have amazing events or exclusive things that they can kind of flex with. But then again, you don't need that as well, because let's go back to my previous pictures. Here, there's a picture of me with my little beautiful cat. Her name is Mano, and I'm just literally in the kitchen, and it's one of my best pictures because it's a cute little cat. You've got me here and it works, you know. And then I also have a picture here at me in Istanbul walking, just looking good whilst taking care of my fashion, of my hair. There's a certain pose, and then you've got this individual staring at me. So that's why I said like always turning heads. Works really well. It's a bit arrogant and cocky, but then it also piques interest. So why is this guy looking at him? What makes him so interesting? And generally, just look at my pictures. I don't think I need to explain why my pictures are good. The moment you see the profile, you instantly know that this person has a very good digital CV. And I want to help you do the same. But first of all, obviously, it's very important for you to deep it. It's very important for you to understand that Instagram maxing is something that's so underrated. No one talks about it. And that's why I'm going to start talking more about it. I'm someone that's so specialized in it, and I'm so passionate about this subject because I know that I can transform every single person's profile. I've always been the person that all my friends ask for advice. I've always taken the best pictures for them, and I just simply know what works and what doesn't. And there's quite a lot of elements because every picture needs to paint a story. So when it comes to the first one, me at Remington, second one, me at YouTube, then the third one is like a beautiful Audi A1. It was like 2022 plate. Not that it really matters, but obviously it helps with like looking more sophisticated with the flex element. And then I'm here in Marbella in Spain. And as you can see, most of my pictures are abroad, so it really helps to have that travel kind of page. At least if you're not someone that's gonna have a very luxurious page. So either I would go for a travel kind of look or a luxury kind of look. But most of us, I assume, don't have that luxury kind of look. Then in that instance, I would definitely go for the travel one. And you don't need to go abroad. You can also go to a different city and just be creative with it. The more creative you are, the more effort you put in, the better pictures you'll get. And then, for example, here, this one I took because we were just at this beautiful 5-star-ish resort in Greece. It wasn't even our place. These were like 2 Swedish girls that invited us over there. And I was like, yeah, okay, sure, why not? It was a beautiful location. Sun was going down. I don't even smoke. It's just a cigar of one of my friends. And I thought like, it's a good angle. Instantly in the moment, I saw an opportunity and I used it. And that's with a lot of these pictures as well. So it's not like you need to spam your profile with it. It's more about quality, and it does take time, unless if you're someone that is really determined and is really willing to put in the effort. In that instance, you can see amazing results. But I do understand that Instagram maxing on your own sometimes is difficult because it's hard for you to see what looks good and what doesn't look good. And that's why I genuinely want to help you out. So recently I just launched this page. It's a how attractive are you from 1 to 10, where I'll help you with your looks rating, your Instagram maxing rating, and your fashion rating. Because as you can see, it says from 3 out of 10 to model looking. And I've been on like modeling campaigns before. I've constantly get compliments from people. People always tell me, yeah, how can I improve myself? And they're always shocked if they see these initial pictures, because I know how looks maxing works, and I know how Instagram maxing works, I know how fashion maxing works, and I genuinely want to help you out. And especially for most individuals, although like fashion maxing helps more in real life, if you're someone that wants to see more instant results, I would definitely recommend you to check out tier 2. So all you have to do is to like purchase this tier 2. I'll do a face rating, analysis, looks maxing recommendation, and then with tier 2, I'll also do an Instagram rating, Instagram analysis, and Instagram maxing suggestions. So I will literally help you build your profile. I'll rate your profile, I'll look at the pictures, I'll give you suggestions as to what kind of pictures you need to take. Maybe you need to take a picture with a cat, with a baby, just to give that soft touch. But then you also want to have a little bit of an element of a bad boy, because you want to create an image, you want to create a story, the full story, to come across as a real human being, rather than just this random individual that has like 2-3 crap photos on his profile, because that doesn't really help you out. And yeah, that's pretty much it when it comes to Instagram maxing. It's all about putting in the effort in terms of like gently start to think, okay, I need to take care of my Instagram profile. Even though like followers help, the more followers you have, the better it is, because like I know a lot of people that have quite a lot of followers, but then like if your profile isn't that good looking, like if you don't look that good, it helps in terms of status, but that's pretty much it. Whilst if you're someone that really wants to Instagram max, it's all about the pictures. Because I only have like, I know it's contextual, but I know so many people that have like 1,000 followers. And hey, definitely do follow me, because I need more followers. It helps. And like, I think my pictures will definitely give you very good inspiration, because I know no one out there that takes pictures like me. I mean, I'm more than happy to review like your profile when it comes to your Instagram. I'll rate it. I'll do a Instagram analysis as to what to improve on, and then I'll also give you suggestions. So it's a complete package. I would definitely recommend it for those individuals that feel like they have come some sort of plateau. So for those individuals that actually believe in the black pill but feel like they don't have the potential to looks max, even though I always think there's room for improvement, because next to just improving your face, you can also improve your status. You can paint a story of being a normal human being, because you can be like very good looking, but if someone thinks you're a creep or a weirdo, it doesn't really help out. And thus having a good Instagram, especially in these days as a digital CV, man, it really helps out. So definitely let me know if this is something you want me to talk about more in the future, Instagram maxing, because I think this is so underestimated by a lot of people, and Instagram is your digital CV. So hey, definitely let me know in the comment section down below. And if you're someone that wants to get a personal rating, whether it's your face, whether it's your Instagram, or whether you want to take your fashion level to the next level, just look at my pictures. I'm a man of my word. I know what I'm talking about. Check out my vlogs, check out my lifestyle, check out to all of the exclusive events I've been to, because I'm generally the best in the game in terms of rating and helping you out. I literally know no one besides myself that can take someone from a 3 out of 10 to model looking, and I generally want to help you out as well. And that's why I also wrote a free Glow Up Secrets book. Just check it out, download it for free, and that will give you a quick mindset guidance on how to improve yourself, how to look better. And after that, if you're someone that's like, hey, I really want to take my Instagram maxing to the next level, definitely check out the face rating page, and also follow me on Instagram. So I will have everything linked down below, so definitely check it out. And that's pretty much the end of this video. So thank you so much for watching. I genuinely appreciate your time, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.